we are at very challenging times. Really. You see, these are days which we may not have even heard of, or even might not have even thought about, right? But yes, after 45 long days, things have started moving slowly. People have come out. People have started to again think, rebuild, restart, re-innovate activities. People have started to come out thinking of how to face this challenge, maintaining wellness and ensuring the economic smooth running. How can we do both of these things simultaneously? And that is the task which we have been given with, right? We can run factories but with 33% workforce and maintaining all the hygiene practices which has been very well described by MHA. Big organizations, large organizations, yes, they can. Maruti Gurgaon, they have already started implementing it. Excellent kind of a program. The hygiene part has been taken care of very well. But what about medium scale industries? What about small scale industries? What about micro enterprises? Especially I'm talking about all those organizations which are functioning in Jaipur. Are you capable of dealing both these requirements simultaneously? Taking care of your workforce, ensuring hygiene, and maintaining productivity with 33% workforce? Logistic challenges remain. Manpower challenges remain. If you are thinking of how to come out of this conundrum, that is where we come in. We are introducing a program especially for medium scale and small scale enterprises in Jaipur, wherein we guarantee improvement, we guarantee maintenance of your productivity with just 33% manpower. How to do it? Talk to us. All the best.